train. And this is the same train we got gone. Trains. Why? You saw that train, don't you? I know.
Take the next left onto US 33 North, Elkhart. Take the next left onto US 33 North, Elkhart Road.
Look at the phone. No, it's good.
33 North for 1.5 miles.
It says Lolly in pink.
Yes.
Up there, doesn't it? Isn't that Lolly?
How am I taking a photo of that? Okay, that said Lolly on it, true.
Yep, Lolly. Now, if we could just find one that says Tom Nook.
Why not? Oh, you go.
Hi.
Go to the train. Hey.
No, mine says we're a couple miles away from it.
Okay, do you want to go ahead of me and tell me where it is?
Yeah, and yeah, okay. All right, bye.
Bye.
I think this might be the same train.
Gosh darn it, here. My nav is not doing well here. Okay.
I know.
All right, 1.1.
Titan. Yes. That's you. That's the point. Is that the engine? What's wrong? Now. Anyway, braking.
Hang on, there's loads right here. 0.8. This isn't Midway, is it? No.
Wait. No, we go. Yeah, it's actually. No. This isn't a project. James Dow wants to. Where did the Wally go? Where did that Wally go? We got still chase. We got still want to chase. We got still want to chase. Chase. Interesting. How did that train go? Here it is. 1, 2, 3 engines and the Norfolk 7s. I think it's not train. You guys on that side. Well, next to the turn, we are now. And then there's a Steak and Shake. Taken went away. What? And the engine's been in the train at all. Hit. I think that's the train. It says Wally again. It says Wally again. Did we depart?
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Midway Road.
Oh, going now.
Take the next left onto Midway Road.